Gordon Gekko, the anti-hero of the movie Wall Street, famously said, "Greed is good." But what does that really mean? And why should we care? Stick around to find out why greed, yes, greed, might just be the hidden fuel that drives you to your ultimate potential. But before doing so, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this content with your friends, so to grow the community together. And now, let's begin. Let's be clear, I believe that when Gordon Gekko said greed is good, he wasn't just talking about stacking up cash. Rather, he was talking about that inner hunger, that insatiable drive to want more, to be more. More than what you are now. Not just richer financially then, but richer in every dimension. Wealthier in knowledge, stronger in character, bolder in action. And this isn't about becoming selfish. It's all about becoming the best version of yourself. And just to quote Abraham Maslow, what a man can be, he must be. And this is a concept that should grow on us every single day. Moving on. This drive, this hunger, is what pushes you forward. But let's be clear, it is not a walk in the park. It's a never-ending game, a constant battle between greed and fear. And as Robert Kiyosaki put it, these two forces define how we operate. But here's a twist. Sometimes we are more afraid of succeeding than of failing. Often in the real world, it is not the smart that get ahead, but the bold. What kind of fear I'm talking about? It is the fear that with success comes responsibility, visibility, and the expectation of others. And let's face it, that pressure can be terrifying. But let me tell you at this point, if you're serious about growth, about becoming better, to reach, as we try in this community, to become the alpha version of yourself, or something beyond, you can't let fear hold you back. So where does greed come into play here? For me, greed isn't about hoarding wealth. Greed is the desire of becoming something more. To achieve more, so you can also give more. Because what's the point of growth if you don't use it to uplift the people you care about? This is my take of being greedy. And to be an alpha. It's embracing the desire to achieve more, to chase more. But this is also taking on the responsibility to share it. You can't provide for others, inspire them, or protect them if you are not in the game yourself, chasing the next level, right? That's why greed for me isn't selfish. It's absolutely necessary. So, are you fit to be greedy? Do you have what it takes to embrace that desire to go beyond your limits, to chase after more and use it to make a difference? Or will you shy away? This is the big dilemma we have to give an answer. Because being an alpha isn't for everyone. It's about choosing responsibility, growth, and yes, greed, whatever it takes. Now guys, we reached the end of the video. I really hope you enjoy. But before leaving us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this content, so to allow me to provide more videos like this one. Catch you in the next one. Cheers!
The point is, ladies and gentlemen, that greed, for lack of a better word, is good. Greed is right. Greed works. Greed clarifies, cuts through, and captures the essence of the evolutionary spirit. Greed in all of its forms. Greed for life, for money, for love, knowledge, has marked the upward surge of mankind, and greed, you mark my words, will not only save Teldar Paper, but that other malfunctioning corporation called the USA. Thank you very much.
Great time, friend, what that made it way. Thank God.